Here we are at NatCon 2023, and I'm already fired up out of my mind, and we still got a whole nother day to go and a nighttime award ceremony to go. And I'm already thinking about the next event, A View from the Edge, that was just announced from stage, and my hair's on fire right now. So excited about the opportunity to continue to take our business to the next level. So thank you, Andy Albright. Thank you, Jane Albright, for always having these events that allow us to come together and learn from one another. Hearing the leaders that go across stage and hearing their stories and hearing what they're doing, their tricks, their tactics, their tips that will help each of us to succeed a little bit more, a little bit more, a little bit more each time that we go and see a client, each time we go and hire a new agent. So if you haven't booked your next event, which is The View from the Edge, I would book it today while you still can, because my name is Eric Bellaire and my wife Bobby Bellaire. We're gonna be there, and we hope to see you there too.